Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss the process of dressing. There is in the previous lecture we'll discuss glazing and loading of the grinding wheel. And the glazing and loading are the one of the drawback of the grinding wheel. After the more use, these some drawbacks are happens in a grinding wheel. And to recondition the grinding wheel, the dressing and truing are performed. Let us discuss one by one what is a dressing. If the grinding wheel are loaded or gone out of the shape, they can be corrected by dressing or truing of the grinding wheel. Means this process occurs for reconditioning of the grinding wheel. Dressing is the process of breaking away the glazed surface so that the sharp particles are again presented to the work. Means those surfaces are loaded or loading of the some material, and these loaded material are removed, and again you have to presented the sharp particles on the periphery of the wheel by using the dressing process. The common types of wheel dresser are known as a star dresser or diamond tool dresser are used for this purpose, which is shown in the diagram. This type of dresser is called as a star dresser, and the another diagram which is shown the diamond dresser. The star dresser is consists of number of hardened steel wheels on its periphery. Means around the periphery you have to provide the sharp edges on the periphery of the star dresser, and the dresser is held against the face of revolving wheel and moved across the face of the the wheel surface. And by using that dresser, the star dresser, the dresser is feed against the grinding wheel, and you have to remove the loaded material and reconditioning the sharp edges again you have to present on the surface of the grinding wheel. The star dresser is used particularly for coarse and rough grinding wheel. For the precision and high finish grinding, small industrial diamond known as a bolt are used, and the diamonds are mounted in a holder. In the second diagram, which is shown, is known as a diamond dresser, and the diamond should be kept pointed down at an angle of 15 degree, and a good amount of coolant is applied while dressing. This diamond dresser has a very sharp point is provided at the front, and this dresser is feed against the grinding wheel, and you have to remove the material from the grinding wheel, and very light cut is taken with the diamond tool. And by using the both tools, star as well as diamond, you have to remove the loading material from the outer periphery of the grinding wheel. That is shown in this diagram. This one is a grinding wheel, and the star dresser at an angle of 10 to 15 degree is fit against the grinding wheel, and it moves on the side surfaces, and you have to remove the material. And this surface is obtained and to get presented the sharp cutting edge after performing the dressing operation, which is shown in the diagrams. Means you have to show the sharp cutting point on the periphery of the grinding wheel. Second operation is known as a truing. Truing is the process of changing the shape of the grinding wheel as it becomes worn from original shape, leads to break away, bond and abrasive. It's basically due to the more use of the grinding wheel, the shape becomes changed. Means the periphery or external diameter of the grinding wheel is not concentric with the bore diameter. Means you have to change the shape of the grinding wheel, and this is done to make a periphery of the wheel true and concentric with its axis of the bore. The diamond tool racer are set on the wheel, which is shown in the diagram. This diamond racer tool are set on the wheel at an 50 degree and move across with the feed rate of less than 0.02 mm, and the good coolant amount of coolant is applied during the truing process. And in this process you have to perform the true shape, circular shape of the grinding wheel is obtained by using the truing process. It is performed this type of tool is the diamond racer tool is fixed against the grinding wheel on the periphery in a horizontal way, and you have to remove the excess amount of material and obtain the true surface of the grinding wheel. This external periphery surface of the work is in concentric with the inside bore diameter of the axis, and you have to perform the truing operation by using the diamond dressing tool. So these are the two operations, like truing as well as dresser are performed after glazing and loading operation. To recondition the grinding wheel, you have to use the truing and dressing of the grinding wheel, and this, which is shown in the diagram, is the surface of the truing. Smooth surface you have to perform, and to give the accurate surface which is concentric with the bore diameter, and this type of surface is performed is after the truing. So these are the two operations is used to perform to recondition the grinding wheel. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.